This guy comes across the street and he says, I'm not going to tell you what he says, but this one's called, I'm Not Michael Moore. So the next stop I made was, I got a call from my director in LA saying that he got into on the lot.
Michael Moore.
Michael Moore, no.
How are you?
No.
You're not Michael Moore?
I am not Michael Moore, but
are you
thank
serious?
You. Yeah, I'm serious.
It's not Michael Moore.
Oh, I'll be much more famous than Michael Moore, though.
God.
That's
I know
cool.
You will.
That's cool.
Well, what's your name?
Sandy Schwartz.
Sandy Schwartz. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'll
you.
listen out for the name.
Wait a second. Come here. Can you help me? Come here. I gotta do this. Okay. Here I am. What's your name?
I'm Josh Robertson.
Josh. I'm doing a video blog.
Okay.
Where I drove across country. I'm having double knee replacement surgery on Monday.
Oh wow.
And so I spent 15 days driving across country, Grand Canyon, Arizona, New Mexico, everything.
Gotcha.
So I'm doing these video blogs for these people, and I want to do one with you in it. Is that okay?
Sure thing.
Okay, what's your name again?
Josh Robertson.
Josh Robertson, okay. Hey everybody, Sandy here with Josh Robertson.
How's it going?
How's it going? You live here?
No, from Raleigh, North Carolina.
Raleigh, North Carolina. You here for spring break?
You're here for vacation on spring break. Yeah.
Awesome. We're here at the beach in Palm Beach, and I'm just having a great time. I'm just doing my video log, my video documentary about my trip and my journey. And Josh thought who'd you think I was?
Michael Moore.
Michael Moore. Do I look like Michael Moore? I don't know.
He is.
Could be.
He's lying to me.
I lie to everybody,
He's Michael
though.
Moore.
Say that. What is that?
He is Michael Moore.
Well, okay, I'm Michael Moore, I guess. But anyways, I just wanted to say hi. This guy's really cool. Look at his muscles, man. What a buff guy. I'm gonna look like him when I'm done with my surgery. Trust me. So
You can do it.
Awesome. So I just wanted to say, hey, this guy's really cool. Thanks a lot. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, thank you very much.
No problem.